Swamiji, Professor Vasani and friends. Today is a very important day for GTU. We have been doing a number of things, as you must be knowing, and all of those things are designed to ensure that we are able to have better learning. Our slogan is to be leaders in learning. So we have designed a number of programs and we are working hard to see that we are able to provide the best of learning opportunities to our young persons. But the most important thing, as philosophers for thousands of years have been saying, is our attitude, is our motivation, the way we work. As Swamiji has said, what is very important is to do the job in a way that you visualize it for doing it for the whole world. These things have been stated in various ways by people. For example, a philosopher from Lebanon said that you may beg before a mosque, but don't do things which you don't like. We want our young men and women to do things which they like. We want them to do things in such a way that they can change the society, and they can. We have a number of problems in our country. Our generation has not been able to solve those problems. Most of you are young. Your generation is going to do it. India is not going to remain poor any longer. We must ensure that the country progresses, and it will progress because you will motivate your young men. You will motivate the GTU young men to do the jobs well. Please understand that a society is changed both by philosophers and by engineers. The poverty in this country is going to be removed when its engineers start working for the country. The poverty is not going to be removed otherwise. It's not going to be removed by slogans. It's going to be removed by hard work. And it is going to be removed by hard work which will be led by technologies. Therefore, GTU has a major role to play. It has a major role to play to provide engineers, technologists who do the job for the country and who do it well. I can tell you from my own experience, Indian students as well as teachers are second to none in intelligence. God has given us intelligence, we have not used it effectively. You are all very intelligent. We want that you should become known all over the world. We want that some of you teachers should be known not only in India but everywhere else. Why should it happen that topmost professors should belong to only North America or Europe? Why they should not belong to Gujarat and to India? It is quite possible. It is quite possible if you start thinking that your job is important. If you start visualizing yourself as a very important person and you build yourself up, in 5 years you can become one of the best teachers. Right now, your job is to see that your students become the best of students. That's what this program is designed to be. To change the attitudes, to change the way we think of ourselves, to start respecting ourselves, to start respecting our work, to start saying that this work is going to change the country, and it will. So, GTU is on a journey to, to provide a university to Gujarat of which we can all be proud. But a great university is consisting of great students and great teachers. It doesn't consist of only great buildings. And great students and great teachers are not only very knowledgeable teachers in their own area, they are teachers who have a particular mindset. They are students who have a particular mindset. And that's what this particular program is designed to create. This is the first experiment anywhere in the world in a university to have a compulsory subject which will be examined in the usual way. We will examine it in the normal way of continuing evaluation, end of the semester exam, and also the assignments and other things that you will give them. And we hope that you will make this particular subject so interesting that it will change the university. So it's a very important job on which you are starting, and it's very important that all of us do it well. We have decided that GTU will become a great university. If you work with us on this particular project, I'm sure 50% of the job would have been done. Thank you.